It's Sunday and it's a lazy morning. Who wants to get up early in the morning on Sunday? Sat Shri Akal ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ, welcome back to my channel Movie Creation. I'm Sumeet Kaur and let's check the weight.
It's 77.9. Wait, what? It got increased by 100 grams?
It is same as yesterday, so no weight change, but I feel a bit light, but at the same time a bit disheartened and sad because there is no weight loss. But it is okay. Our focus is on the bigger goal, not a small goal. I always feel that if you don't lose weight on the weighing scale, that means you are losing some inches. So it is perfectly fine if you're not losing the weight on the weight scale. It's a Sunday morning and a very lazy morning. Let's start the day with a drink, morning drink, that is moringa water, and then let's do some exercise or walk. Drink is ready. I'm feeling still sad, but I'm feeling light. Yes, I'm feeling light and I'll reduce some weight. मैं कल मैगी भी नहीं खाई, ग्रीन टी भी पीती. It's okay. Be positive. Yes.
Walking outside the house to complete my step count and did some exercise including this fake video. Forgot to take the screenshot but walk around 1 kilometer. This is vermicelli, 100% suji, no maida. I'm going to make this for the breakfast today, making it for the very first time, and I'm going to add 1 shimla mirch, capsicum, 1 tomato and 2 onions. In a pan, I will put some oil. I have added 1/4 teaspoon of desi ghee. Then I'm going to add rye in this. It is almost brown. I'm going to add some jeera also, and then we'll add the chopped capsicum in it. This packet has roasted vermicelli, so we don't have to roast it. I'll directly add it to the veggies and add some water. But before that, I'll add some salt, some mirchi, and I'm not sure about whether to add haldi or not. I don't know, but I'm just adding it. Let's see what will be the output. After adding vermicelli, I'm adding water in this. So I've added water in this. I'll cover it with the lid and wait for 5 minutes. It will cook, and let's come back after 5 minutes. And meanwhile, we will clean the kitchen. Who else has a feeling that it is looking like Maggi? I do. Let's see how it tastes. So I'm going to add chili flakes too in this to take more feel and smell of Maggi. Oh, it smells good, yeah. Ready to eat. Anyone wants to join in? Ready. It was yum. It's a mid-morning snacks, green tea. Today's plate, rajma, rice, my most favorite dish with hari chutney and salad. Yummy, yummy rajma. My favorite. So it's evening snacks time. This will be my evening snacks. This is bread. I'm going to top it with the leftover aloo gobi. It's a very nice combination. not at all interested in two pieces of the bread, so I took just one piece of bread and top it with aloo gobi. The last meal of the day is dinner. It consists of two things. One is salad and second is a plate full of veggies. I'm also adding green chutney with all the meals.